Target is a mobile satellite launch platform, the Lumerian Star. They were sending up their last payload when pirates took them, 93 minutes ago.
How many pirates?
25. Top mercs, led by this guy, George Batroc. This guy's got a rep for maximum casualties.
All right, I'm gonna sweep the deck and find Batroc. Nat, you kill the engines and wait for instructions. Rumlow, you sweep aft, find the hostages, get them to the life pods, get them out. Let's move.
Strike, you heard the cap. Gear up.
Secure channel 7?
7 secure. Did you do anything fun Saturday night?
Well, all the guys from my barbershop quartet are dead, so no, not really.
Coming up on the drop zone, Cap.
You know, if you ask Kristen out from statistics, she'd probably say yes.
That's why I don't ask.
Too shy or too scared?
Too busy.
Was he wearing a parachute? No. No, he wasn't.
Thanks.
Yeah, you seem pretty helpless without me.
What about the nurse that lives across the hall from you? She seems kind of nice.
Secure the engine room, then find me a date.
I'm multitasking.
Je l'ai dit à Batroc. Si on veut que S.H.I.E.L.D. nous paye, commence à leur envoyer les corps maintenant!
Et je n'aime pas attendre.
Appelle Durand. Je veux qu'on s'arrache dès que la rançon arrive.
Oui, Batroc.
Natasha, what's your status? Status, Natasha.
Hang on! Engine room secure.
On my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Society's at a tipping point between order and chaos. Captain, are you ready?
For the longest time, I just wanted to do what was right. I'm not quite sure what that means anymore.
The world has changed. None of us can go back. All we can do is our best.
People are gonna die. I can't let that happen.